Good morning, happy Sunday morning. As you guys can see, where I store my equipment, there is a keypad. And guys, you don't know what people do and who's been pressing the keypad. So I keep a bottle of hand sanitizer, and I definitely make sure that I put it on my hands. And also gas pump stations, guys, there's this one gas pump station that have gloves and hand sanitizers. That's the one I go to exclusively. The ones that don't provide that stuff for me, guess what? They don't get my business. You know, yeah, you have to care for me. I have to feel like you care for me as a business, and then I'll give you my business, right? Same thing like us. You know, we are not sitting up there shaking hands and knocking on doors and all that crazy stuff, right? I hope you're not. But good morning, guys. Beautiful day for those who are working, man. For those who are not, man, I'm with you. I don't get it, but that's another topic. We're not right now. I'm not gonna go into that, because you know, it's like we are oversaturated, and I do understand that, you know, it is something that we need to talk about, but I don't feel that. My opinion is my opinion, and I'm not gonna bring it to you. Other than that, guys, this morning we are changing out. Hold on, I'm just making sure. There you go. I'm parking right here. This is my little backup cam that I installed myself, and no, that's not my trailer. I'm parking in 2 slots beside mine. This, you know, nobody basically ever come here. Plus, I'll be right over there doing my thing. So this morning, I'm going to be changing out the blades on our mowers, and let me get everything together, and I'll tell you why. So today we are changing out our Gator Blades and putting on high lift blades. And the reason we're doing that is because we usually have the Gator Blades to mulch up leaves during the winter time and early fall, and late fall and early spring. But right now, and it's mainly our oak leaves. Live oak leaves, they're pretty hard and to mulch up, and those Gator Blades, they do a extremely good job at doing that work for us. So everything is mulched up except one home, and I think we should be good to go. We should be good to go when it comes to that. So that is why we are switching out from our Gator Blades to our high lift blades. And no, we don't keep our Gator Blades on throughout the whole year, and we do not mulch throughout the year. So that is the reason why we're switching them out. So next fall we'll put them back on. Hey guys, real quick tip. You see me take my Jungle Gyms, excuse me, my Jungle Gyms, why can't I get the damn word? Not bad. I'm thinking about 2 things. Let me put this to the side. My Jungle Gyms jack out of my trailer. This thing is pretty light. I take it with me. It is really easy to lift your mower up. And again, if you're mowing wet grass, if you have to get under your deck, I love it because it's extremely portable. Jungle Gym is not paying me for this. I'm only giving you guys my opinion. Now, as you can, I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna do it with one hand because I'm holding a GoPro in my other hand. See that? One hand lift, and that's it. It's locked in place. Go down to my video description and you will see a link for it in my Amazon store. Okay, one-handed, guys. You see that? No struggle, no issues, no nothing. Good. Hey, for you guys that didn't see the video about me cleaning my mowers with the super clean, yeah, go check it out, guys. This thing worked. Look at my mower, man. Huh? My lawnmowers are looking like new. All right, so yes, we let me I have a lot of things in my mind, and I want to stick to one particular topic because I tend to ramble about other things. But today's video is switching from the Gator Blades, which we use in the late fall to early spring and throughout the winter, because we do a lot of mulching. We don't do a lot of leaf as far as pickup and stuff like that. We don't do a lot of that because I mainly target affluent subdivisions or subdivisions, and those you can just mulch the leaves, and we don't have to pick it up. Just a handful of people that we actually have to pick it up. So we will just go ahead and switch them out and utilize our high lifts blades to do what we have to do. Okay, so stay tuned. I have another tip for you guys. See how quick and easy that was? Now I'll do the radius. But again, guys, you've seen one person change a blade. You've seen them many times, right? All right, I'll be right back. Hey guys, before I go any further, you guys ask a lot about what type of shoe blocker I use, and this is the Exmark OCD system. I got it from a dealer, and it is through Exmark, and basically you let them know what type of mower you have, and they'll send you the kit. And the kit comprises of just this little piece right here. You can loosen this, take it off, and I have the handle on this one right here. So basically you turn and it opens, you turn and it closes. Simple as that. Open, close, open, close. And it's the same configuration. Now, this is a 48 radius, and my 48 Vantage have the same shoe blocker and the same concept. You put it on, and again, to take it off, all you have to do is loosen this one bolt, and the whole thing comes right off. And the only difference is the handle is here on this side. So it opens and closes, and it opens the chute. On the Exmark 36, the same concept is right here, and the handle is right there. Get it? All right, let's go ahead and finish up what we were doing. Now, I don't know why this is a different way to take off the blades, guys. On the Vantages, and I don't know if other Exmark mowers, but all you have to do is take it off and put it back on. But this one has a crazy washer that you gotta hold with two hands. The Vantages you can do with one hand, as far as just taking it off, but with these you have to do it two. But that's okay, don't worry about it. We'll continue on with this. Okay, so we are finished, and I will put these here so I can sharpen these later. Put this over here. All right, guys, and for you guys that are wondering, self sharpening blades, no self sharpening blades. Okay, and these are the leftovers from last year. These two. Okay, and this one. All right. And for those who don't know about the self-sharpening blade, just, you know, go into my video archives, and you can find out more info on it. All I know is that they gave them to me. I use them. I love them. And if you have any questions, go to the website. All right. So I'm finished with this. Hold on, let me pull this up. Oop. Sorry about that noise, guys. And it goes right here. There you go. Right there. All right. All right, guys. So all I have left to do right now is I will sharpen the blades of my commercial 21. And guys, for you guys that don't know, I've had this mower for the past 10 years. 10 years. I've never had an issue with anything. No transmission issue, no nothing, zero, zilch, nada. Never had an issue. The only thing I don't like about this mower, guys, is it's too heavy. It pulls real well, it works well, everything, but it's just, to me, it's a little bit too heavy. If you are working throughout the day and you get to a bank and you have to mow the bank, or you have to mow a small backyard, just the simple fact of pulling, you know, if you have like a little slope hill or whatever, it goes down easily, but then it's heavy. I think this thing is like 100 and I want to say 150 pounds. Yeah, so this thing is heavy duty, hardcore. But I love it. 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 But it's just too heavy. Am I complaining over something I shouldn't? Oh well. But yeah, I'll stand in more. Other than that, guys, I'm going to take the blade off this, sharpen it, and then I will put everything back in the in the trailer, and that's it. That's it for today. You guys have a blessed day. Be safe out there. And you know, enjoy your Sunday. Pop Smoke. Peace.